UOKA stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether MDJM stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. Sitting at 16 cents, 1.2% up. So where the heck are we heading next? Now I want to make this thing clear. Since it's been consolidating here, I mean, it's been rough. Now I spent 5 figures on courses and mentors and I've done 36,000 videos. So I've kind of figured out what's working for me and what's not. Looking at UOKA, I'm like, my last prediction was so biased towards the bullish side. And I mean, I don't care to admit that. If I saw a double break, I was willing to buy, right? But yeah, I was just like too optimistic because the confirmation never happened. And since I didn't see my rules met, I just abandoned this ticker and I just never looked further to take it up. So this is now where we are. I saw the first shift right here. And now it only makes sense for me to be bullish the moment I start seeing breaks above 21 cents. And we're 16. Like, it's really not that far away, but looks like the discrepancy between these things is just crazy. Which honestly is really not that far away. So yeah, I'm going to keep you updated. This looks like overly optimistic, but it makes sense if there is a second break. That's it before. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.